Hello everyone, bonjour. Welcome to this free French session at Sadna Varsity platform. My name is Frankie, your French teacher. Today I am happy that we'll see a new session about French alphabet. Alphabet français, alphabet français. Again, today we will try to learn how to pronounce each French alphabet from A to Z. In addition, we'll see some examples where we can find those alphabets in real words. For example, in the word alphabet itself, you can find that the first alphabet, A, it's also an alphabet. So we try to have some examples where we can find alphabet. Moreover, I request you all to please repeat after me when I'm pronouncing. Listen carefully and speak. Free yourself, don't be afraid. So let's get started. In French, we have 26 letters as alphabet, as well as in English. So among those 26 letters, we have 20 consonants. In French, we say consonne, and 6 vowels. 6 voyelles. 6 voyelles means 6 vowels. Those 6 vowels, they are A, I, U, O, E, and Y. In French, we pronounce A, I, U, O, E, Y. I repeat. A, I, U, O, E, Y. Don't worry, we'll find again those 6 vowels in the completely French alphabet. Let's continue. Yes, now let's see the complete French alphabet. Let's see the first line. The first line we have A, B, B, C, D, E, F, G. I repeat again the first line. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are you able to repeat again? Great. Let's continue with the second line. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. I repeat again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Yes, repeat after me. Correct. Let's continue again. The third line. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Yes. Then It's your turn. Can you repeat? O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U. Wonderful, great. Let's continue with the last line. V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Yes, repeat after me. V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z. Okay. In this line, remember that the Y in French we pronounce as I, but the name is Y. Some students will pronounce Y because the R sound is somehow difficult for some students, but try to pronounce Y or Y. Remember the sound is I. Okay, let's review the alphabet again. First one is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G. Please make sure that you are repeating after me. Okay, let's continue the second line. H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N. Next we have O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. Now we are able to pronounce all 26 alphabet. Remember, in these 26 alphabet, we have 20 consonant and 6 vowels. Here we have consonant, 20 consonant and 6 vowels. 6 vowels, they are A in the first line, E, and in the second line we have I, I. In third line we have O, O, and U, U. And the last line we have Y, Y. Let's continue. In French, let's say have some examples. With A, we can have animal, animal. Between parentheses, we have English meaning. Animal, animal. Next, we can have avocat, avocat, avocat. And next, we can have alphabet, alphabet, which is alphabet in English. Next, we have B, B as banane, banane, bouche, bouche, bouteille, bouteille. Please, you have to repeat after me, and please, you have to remember these French words because they are among vocabularies. This is how we learn. Please make sure that you are repeating after me so that you can exercise yourself to pronounce French. Next, we have C, café, café, cadeau, cadeau, ciseaux, ciseaux. Next we have D, devoir, devoir, doigt, doigt, which means fingers, doigt, décembre, Décembre, which means December. Décembre. Next we have E. Examples we have école, école, which means school. École. Next we have étudiant, étudiant, which means student. Éléphant, éléphant, elephant, which means elephant. Next we have F. F. For example, we have français, 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 which means French. Fromage, fromage, which means cheese. Février, février, it's a month. February. Next we have G. As examples we have garage, garage, gant, gant, gentil, gentil. Next we have H. H we can have as examples haricot, haricot. And remember, mostly H in French is a silent vowel or silent letter. When it starts, it's become a silent letter. That's why we pronounce haricot, which means beans. Hôpital, hospital. Habitude, habit. Next we have I. I we have il, image, image, innocent, innocent. Next we have J. J as jour, jour. The last R is slightly pronounced. Jour. Janvier, janvier. Jambe, jambe. Next we have kilogramme, kilogramme in K. K we have kilogramme, kilogramme. Kiosque, kiosque. Kilomètre, kilomètre. Next we have L. L as lumière, lumière, lumière. Lampe. Next. M. Maison, maison. Mère, mère. Mother. Magasin, magasin. Store. N. Novembre, novembre. Noir, noir. Nombre, nombre. Next we have O. Opération, opération, opération. Orange, orange. Next we have P. P as pays, pays, pays. Papa, papa. Next we have Q. Question, question. 40, 40. Next we have R. R. Règle, règle. Ri, ri. Ha, ha. This sound is pronounced in your throat. Try to pronounce h. Are you able? Yes, correct. Let's continue. S. Stylo, stylo. Secret, secret. Salutation, salutation. Next. T. T. Télévision, télévision. La tête, la tête. Head, la tête. Next we have U. Usine, usine. Uniform. Pay attention. This sound also is very difficult for others, for some students. We pronounce U. It's a combination of E and U. Then try to pronounce U, U, U. Usine, uniform. Can you repeat? Yes. Let's continue. Next we have V. Voiture, voiture, voiture. Vélo, vélo. Okay. Can you repeat? Voiture, voiture. Vélo, vélo. Okay. Next we have W. W. Wagon, wagon. Next we have X. X we have Xavier. 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 Next we have Y. Y. As examples we have Yves. Yves. And yeux. 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 Last one we have Z. Z we have as examples we have zigzag. Zigzag. Zèbre. Zèbre. So I hope you are following and you are able to repeat after. Please go slowly and repeat after me, okay? Yes, now we are at the end of the session. Today's session was on French alphabet français. Remember that we have seen that in French alphabet we have 26 alphabet, where 20 consonant and 6 vowels. In addition, we have seen each pronunciation of each alphabet from A to Z, and also we have seen examples on each alphabet. Remember to review the same video. Please repeat and repeat as I pronounce, so that you can improve your pronunciation. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. It is simple. By practicing, you come to know how to pronounce a good word or making a good sound. So thank you very much. I wish you a success in learning with Sadna Varsity platform. We welcome you again. So for me, I will meet you on next session. Merci beaucoup again. Thank you for watching. À bientôt. Bye.